call 1-800-FAMILY.
There's a new ride in town. I don't care about getting money. I want to come in and call it. I got it in there. Easy now to turn to DLC System. For your ride in the town. My first money, this time around, I wasn't different. I don't make good decisions. So I need someone to tell me to knock it off. Knock it off.
Easy Manage's Money Back, a 2-hour special event. Part of TLC Summer, June 4th and 8th on TLC.
Ow! I'm a bride.
Sarah is a bride who doesn't quite know what she's looking for.
I'm an indecisive person, which is why I brought so many people with me to help me.
She likes the second dress, but is open to trying on mom's pick.